5 ways stress causes physical harm to our bodies without our knowledge.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
When you feel stressed, it's kind of hard to focus on anything else. You've got too much going on and too little time to accomplish it all. But then, as if that wasn't enough, you end up getting some kind of weird pain. As it turns out, these chronic pains are often caused by the stress in your life. Whether it's a psychosomatic response to your body feeling overwhelmed or an actual physical reaction, stress is really hard on your body. Surprise, all those times you woke up sore weren't because you slept funny. You might actually just be stressed. Well, maybe it's not a surprise to you, but a lot of people don't realize how much power our stress has over us. The problem is that the pain often disguises itself as though it was caused by things you're doing. Often it starts after standing for a long period of time, or after some kind of activity, so we don't connect it to our stress levels. But stress is known for causing pain in the back, in your jaw, and can even trigger headaches because of all the tension. So why does it hurt so much? Well, according to the American Institute of Stress, when your body is in a constant state of tension, it actually manages to work its way into your muscles. Your muscles tense up much more than they would normally, even when you don't feel like you're doing anything. And this causes the pains to present themselves at inopportune times. You may not even realize how your breathing has changed since you became more stressed, but you're likely breathing much faster than you normally would. This rapid breathing reduces the amount of deep breaths you can get and can actually trigger panic attacks in some people. Increasing your heart rate from time to time is good if it means you're getting enough physical activity and keeping fit. But if you're putting a significant amount of pressure on your heart at all times, your heart won't be able to take it. Repeated and prolonged stress can actually lead to the inflammation of the coronary arteries, and that can actually trigger a heart attack. Putting yourself in constantly stressful situations forces your adrenal glands to kick into overdrive and help you make your way through. But by causing a flood of these adrenaline hormones, your liver starts to have a harder time. Your liver tries to keep up with the stress hormones by releasing more glucose, normally necessary to give energy for the fight or flight response associated with stress. But over time, it just all becomes too much and your blood sugar levels start to increase. Stress affects your digestive system in a few ways. First of all, it can cause an excess stomach acid to be produced, which leads to heartburn or even ulcers. It may also cause a frequent feeling of nausea that can lead to vomiting if your stress is bad enough. And finally, when it comes to your waste, stress can also change the way your body is actually absorbing nutrients and move through your body. This can lead your body to react in one of two ways, both equally unpleasant, either having frequent diarrhea or constipation. Obviously, either of these options is not ideal, so trying to find healthy ways to manage your stress becomes important. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.